everybody, this is Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are a regular, thank you for coming back and watching me. This is a continuation from my Dollar Tree haul. I took you guys on 2 trips to 2 different Dollar Trees. Now I'm going to show you what I got. And I got these mattress covers for queen size beds. I got 3 because I already have 1. And I resell these on eBay. Believe it or not, I do. But I haven't been able to find the full ones or the twin ones for a long time, only the queen. So I'm gonna offer these again. They're the plastic kinda. I mean, I knew about these back when my youngest daughter was little because she used to wet the bed. And that would have saved her mattress if I would have known about those. But you live and learn as you get older, you know. And then I finally found Neutrogena face masks. Yep, I finally found, that was the only Neutrogena stuff they had at that Dollar Tree. And I think it was the second Dollar Tree that I went to that I found. So I got 4 of them. So I'm going to be putting these up on my eBay. These are, you know, believe it or not, there are stuff in the Dollar Tree that you can resell for a profit. And I know firsthand because I've been doing it. Like with these mattress pads, I charge $7 or $8 plus shipping, and they sell. They go to Puerto Rico a lot though. I don't know. And the face mask, we'll see. First time. And I just put up those Aberlo facial stuff. I just put that up there yesterday, so we'll see how that goes. And I got myself a new sprayer because the one we have out in the backyard, I didn't like it. So I hope this one works. But what do you expect for $1, you know? Okay, that was from one of my Dollar Trees. Forget which one it was. I think it was the second Dollar Tree. Now this is the first Dollar Tree, and you probably remember me showing you these. Well, I went and I picked these up because, believe it or not, I can resell these on eBay as well. I did the last couple years. I want to get some of those little houses that they have there that I was showing you guys. I want to get some of those to put with some of these things. These are some different ones than what I've been selling. And I usually sell like all 3 packs for, I forget how much. But usually I only find the gnomes and the fairies and the signs. But these are different. These look like trees and whatnot. And then these look like carrots and other types of vegetables. And here's a frog, a turtle, and a bird. That's that one. There's kind of coming off the thingy there. Easy fix. So those will be going up there. Had to get myself some more acetone. Pure acetone is all I use, because it gets the polish off like real quick. And, you know, it doesn't really bother my acrylics I have on. So I like getting the polish off and getting it off now. So that's what I like to do. And I needed some more of the tacky glue. And years ago, I used to watch this craft show called Aleene's Crafts, I think. And I love their glue products. And my glue, my tacky glue, like this is from Aleene's tacky glue. it's too hard to get out. It's old. So I seen this and I thought, Aleene's? Now I don't have to pay like $3 and something for it. Paid $1 for this Aleene's. And this is some good glue. Good glue. I got that for myself. And then I found this Pond's Detox facial foam. It's charcoal. So I'm going to give this a whirl on eBay. And that's pretty good when you find Pond's, the Dollar Tree. We'll see how good this stuff goes. And then I wanted to get some more of this pink Dove stuff because I've got an idea for all that Dove stuff we got from Wholesale Ninjas. But I have the blue right here that I want to add. But I wanted to add the pink too because this is the Nourishing Body Care Beauty Cream. 24-hour moisturization. And this one here is Intensive Cream. Nurturing hair. Yeah. So they're different. So I was going to add these two to those soaps and face scrubs. But I couldn't find any more of the pink. So neither one of the other, I found the only one at the first Dollar Tree we went to. Second Dollar Tree, they only had this color, and I didn't want this. I already have 4 of these. I need to get 3 more of the pink. So we'll be heading to another Dollar Tree that is the next town up from me. And there is how many Dollar Trees in that area? 1, 2, 3. I think there's 3 Dollar Trees up in the next town. I tell you, I got a lot of Dollar Trees to go to. I just feel weird taping in there and talking about products when there's people there because I don't want to think I'm weird and why am I doing that? I do. I might just go in, find stuff, and then bring it home and show you my hauls. That might be better for me because I just feel weird going into the Dollar Trees and filming like that. And I don't know how the other people do it and not feel weird. I don't know. But I hope you enjoyed my little Dollar Tree trips and show you guys what's in the Dollar Trees and what name brand types of stuff that they do have that you can sell and make some money off of. If you sell on eBay or anywhere else. That was my daughter's cat trying to get up here. I pushed her off. So I didn't want her getting all up in my face. She's a cutie though, but she's a turd. So anyway, I'm done. Showed you my little haul. Sorry, I don't have big hauls and stuff. But I'm just showing you some little things that y'all can go and get when you're kind of low and in between going to the thrift stores or going to, doing what I do, what is it called? Retail arbitrage. I love retail arbitraging at Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Sometimes even at Big Lots or whatever lots you guys have. We have Big Lots. I think up north they're called Odd Lots, but they may have changed to Big Lots. Either way, same thing. You can find some good stuff there to resell at Big Lots. Yeah. Well, this concludes today's Dollar Tree haul, Dollar Tree field trip. I hope y'all enjoy. Please hit the like button down here and the subscribe button down here and hit the little bell button beside it so you'll be notified when I show up on here again. And don't forget to share. And if you have any questions or any comments, leave it down in the comment section, and I will try my best to answer your questions. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.